In this video, I will teach you how to add a hyperlink in SharePoint list. This is using OneDrive as your workspace, even if you don't want to go directly through the SharePoint interface. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to onedrive.com. You can just log in with your Microsoft account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just sign off because it's free. And once you're inside OneDrive, it will look something like this. You just have to navigate the folder where your SharePoint list is stored or synced. In most cases, SharePoint list can be exported or linked as Excel files like this one. So what we'll do is to modify the list using Excel through OneDrive. To do that, you just have to click on these three dots right here and then click on Open. Now that your list is open, you can just choose the column where you want to add your hyperlink. You can either create a new column called link or use an existing one. And to insert the hyperlink, let's say right here, you can just select any cell and press Ctrl and letter K right here. And then you will be able to see it right there. Then you just have to paste the URL that you want to connect to right here on where do you want to link to. Tap on that. And then this could be a website, a document, or even another SharePoint item. And in the text or display box, which is right here, you can pretty much name it whatever you want it to be. You can type something user-friendly like view details or document. Let's say document right here. And once you're done, all you have to do is to click on OK. Now, once you've added your hyperlinks to all the rows that you want, you can just click Save, or since you're editing directly from OneDrive, your changes are automatically synchronized. Now, for the final step, you just have to head over to your SharePoint site, open your list settings, and choose Import from Excel or Quick Edit, depending on how your organization handles list updates. Then upload or paste your edited data, and your hyperlinks will function directly inside SharePoint. So hyperlinks in SharePoint's list makes your data way more interactive, perfect for linking invoices, product pages, or internal documents. So editing through OneDrive is often faster and more familiar than using SharePoint's built-in grid editor. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.